Welcome everybody, Von Schuller Family Experience. We're out at Pismo Beach, California, and just got in today. It was about a 5-hour drive. We're on the beach. The sun is setting behind me. As always, such an amazing sunset. So, been a little busy just airing down the rig, getting the tires all down to air pressure, the sand, and getting all set up. So, but check out that sunset behind me, huh? Hopefully you can see it in this. We got a fun-filled weekend. We're here Thursday to Tuesday. Then we got Thanksgiving. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. Check it all out. And the girls are already drinking.
Here we go. You're gonna be part of the Von Schuller experience. Yes.
All right, the kids are doing slime. Gianna's the slime queen. So, hey, Gianna, what do you have to use to make this stuff?
I can do it.
Is that shaving cream?
No, you have. And like some of this stuff is added. You don't have making an original slime. You just need glue. Wait, I want to contact solution and if you want.
Oh, and then that makes the coloring?
Yeah. If you want to make it fluffy, shaving cream. Yeah, but.
Oh, that makes it more fluffy?
Yeah, but look, I made mine clear. I made mine clear. You're supposed to add a few drops.
Look at your, what color's yours?
Yes, can I feel?
Is that like pink, purple?
Pink. I'm adding color.
Gianna's got some like yellow. Cameron did clean, or clear.
I might add clear with pink. I might add a little bit of pink.
That's a pretty cool blue.
I put a bead in this one.
Hey, what color is that? Purple?
I'm gonna add a
Corbin.
purple.
Corbin, is that purple?
Yeah.
Oliver,
I made it right now.
what'd you do? Did you put that on me?
Yeah, it's booger.
It's a booger? Is that, you did booger color? Right there? Well, I don't want it. Get your booger off me.
No.
No, I'm gonna get it on you. Oh.
Put in this time. I don't feel fit something this time.
Oh, it's on you now. No.
Don't get the booger on me.
All right, we're out here with day 3 for Pismo. And we got the X2. Little 750, 650 electronics. Got a little turkey problem here. Dilemma. And 1, 2, 3. Thanksgiving feast. All right, we got the kids' meals. Hey guys, how's it going? Is it good?
What's
Huh?
that? What's that?
GoPro. Remember you wiped a booger on me earlier?
I put a booger on him.
It was a slime booger, huh?
All the way around.
Yes, Corbin, you're smiling. What are you eating? Oh, you guys got some good food?
I'm not eating.
You're probably hungry. You guys have been...
Happy birthday, dear Tori. Happy birthday to you.
What? All right, we're gonna check out the carnage on this one. This one broke today. We got it fixed up though. Break right there, just lost a bolt. All right, we're gonna check out some carnage here on Tim's Razor. He broke both axles. Check that out. Yep. So what happens, he even put a hole in the case. Yep, that's a big old hole. Busted both axles. Nice little carnage. Right on, right there. A little ingenuity to get it home. Put it in 4-wheel drive. Hey, my dog leashes work good though.
4 hours. I'm like, no, I'm gonna have a
Axle 1 done. Hey, we're on. We're all set. All fixed. Here we go. Jack's on the 125. Learn how to use a clutch.
Just dance.
Oh boy.
Just dance.
We're going for a little beach run. We're gonna take the littles down, just Corbin and Oliver. We got Corbin on his 80. Wave. He's killing it. And then we got the big boys on the 110 and on the new 125. Well, not new, but used. We're gonna head down the beach. Hey ladies, you got some fries still testing? Getting ready to pull out with the RV here. We're all aired down, you can see. We got a pretty good spot here to where we just pulled in, and I'm just gonna back out onto the hard pack. Hopefully not get stuck.